Hi everyone. This movement is going to be how to do tabletop shoulder rotations. This way. So, first up, get into tabletop position. So, hips over the knees, shoulders over the hands, head away from the ground, abs engaged. In standard tabletop position. What you're going to be doing here is rotating your upper arm. So you're going to twist so your elbow creases point forwards, and then twist so your elbow creases point towards each other. Forwards, towards each other. Forwards, towards each other. So you want to really feel that rotation. You're twisting, you should feel it into the upper back, and obviously in the shoulders. So while you're doing this, try and think about pushing the ground away from you a little bit. So you're not shoved up like this, like you're going into a cat position. It's just engaged away, so you're maintaining tension in the upper body. If you're finding that this is too much on the wrists, you can come back here, so you're real close in, and then do it. Right, same thing, you're real close in, and then you just spiral in and out. The goal here is to really work on your rotational capacity through the upper arm with your wrist fixed. So try that out. Be careful with trying to force it. You don't want that. You want it to be a comfortable rotation. If you force it, you can put some over stress on the rotator cuff, essentially, and you don't want that. So be gentle with yourself, but try and just get that motion in there. Have fun.